Yulin, you excited to make some money today?
Look what happened over here. You didn't hear that? I was like, no.
We've been using this chipper right here on the last couple jobs. It's been pretty good. It's not anything massive, so you can't compare it to a 12-inch Vermeer diesel because this is a gasser, only up to 7 inches, but hey, it's pretty good for the money. What's going on, everyone? Andre here with Jack of All Trades. We got a pretty good day on the schedule for today. I got somebody on their way to come pick up this IBC tow, but I gotta head out. I'm not gonna wait for them. They've bought wood from me before, so they know exactly where to come and pick it up. I'm about to head over to Yulin's house. We got a tree job we gotta clean up. The customer's not wanting to pay haul off and clean up. They just want us to literally cut it up, get it out of the yard, and toss it over the fence. So I really don't need my dump trailer, but I do have a dumpster in later for this evening, so I'm just gonna take it over with me because it's in between me and Yulin's house. It just makes more sense that way. That way I don't have to come back home, pick it up, and then take it. This right here is Yulin's job, so I'm helping him out. We're running his setup. We got the mini skid chipper because we're gonna try to chip up as much of this tree as we can, and then we're leaving the rest on site. Hauling in with the Denali HD. He has a nice pile of pine tree logs over here that he's been splitting up for firewood, trying to sell it as camp wood. We'll see if we can sell it. I don't know how well that's gonna sell in my area because nobody really wants it, but if he can sell it, hey, I might start selling some pine too if I need to. But I got a lot of hardwood as of right now. He got this job right here from his cousin. His cousin owns some rental properties, and one of his tenants called him saying he needs a tree cleaned up, so that's what we're gonna go do today. Yulin, you excited to make some money today?
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
That's good.
It's gonna be a really fun day.
The last video I recorded over here at Yulin's house, there was a lot of firewood over here. He said he got most of it all cut up and organized over here, ready to be split. So after that pine pile, gotta start working over here. He definitely has a good bit of wood over here, but I don't think he has anywhere near as much as I do. He had an opportunity to get more wood, but he turned it down. He's like, I want to get all this split before I bring more wood first. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, we just pulled up to the job site. Looks like this tree right here needs to get removed as well. Hello? Looks like it's dying.
Oh, that tree broke. Did this one? I thought there was only one that broke when I sent the picture.
It's that one.
That one right here?
Oh wow, they took out the neighbor's fence.
I guess it was a wind. I ain't here. I was in my movie room watching movies, and then Mr. Harvey, one here, came and say, look what happened over here. You didn't hear that? I was like, no.
It kind of looks like the fence is already down, so we might be lucky. We might not have to take it apart.
Yeah. Maybe if the main gets this and fit, and we'll toss it over here.
Bro, this is a river.
It is, huh? There's already a bunch of brushes here.
Okay.
That'll help keep the dirt from washing away.
Look at all of these tires over here.
Looking at the fish.
Oh yeah, there's fish over here. That's crazy.
Nice. And we can go across from here to there.
Yeah, just carry all the branches on the log.
Yeah.
And we have to cut down this big boy right here, push it with the machine.
Look at this big boy here.
Yeah, this tree's been dead for a long time. Landlord waited too long.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yesterday when he asked us to cut it down, it wasn't down yet then.
No, it wasn't down.
But then
No,
it fell down.
Well, maybe it fell down after he told us.
Lower the front a little, lower the front. Yeah, that's good. Oh, okay, so they go into... You got a towel? Perfect. Yeah, I mean, that's smart to keep a towel. I need to do that.
Mm-hmm. Oh, let's get one here.
Clean them off all the time. No putting junk in there.
Mm-hmm.
The gate is pretty small over here, but the mini skid should fit even though it's white trash. Probably like 1 or 2 inch of playroom. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Perfect. Right on. Chipper is smaller than the mini skid. Bro, mini skids is where it's at. Look at this. We're making it happen. Lower it, because it's gonna hit the bottom. We've been using this chipper right here on the last couple jobs. It's been pretty good. It's not anything massive, so you can't compare it to a 12-inch Vermeer diesel because this is a gasser, only up to 7 inches, but hey, it's pretty good for the money. got new blades on this chipper, so it is absolutely eating this brush up. This log right here once would have made some great firewood, but it's mostly dead and rotten now. That let it rock out. That's on tight. And you speak power. Yes, sir.
Keep getting it cut. I usually keep all that clean behind there. I don't want to keep getting, you kind of line them up down there. If not, don't worry about it though. They just roll over, just line them up, and roll over the tree.
You want to roll it inside the crew?
No, I'm saying if you take like still like stack on top,
Yeah.
like one there, line them up.
Because we'll have that big one too, and yeah, we'll just line it down.
Okay. I tell ahead, I got to take my son to the doctor.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead, no problem.
Okay.
We'll continue working, sir. You want some kind of lined up one by one. We'll see what we can do. It's kind of tight. Close it a little, yeah. Now drop it, you're good. There you go. That's what he wants. too bad right here. We made 500 bucks on this job, which is not a lot of money, but realistically this job right here only took us 1 hour to do. It took longer to load up the equipment and unload it. We could do like 5 or 6 of these in a day as long as we have them lined up. Chipper all loaded up. We're gonna use the broom right here to smoothen out the ground. We don't have to, but Yulon already brought the attachment, so we might as well do it. Don't take out the fence at the last second. We're good.
We don't have time to stay here, do we?
I know. Super easy job, man. We love these right here. So this is the result we're leaving instead of deep. This broom right here has got some power. It's like 2,000 bucks. Crazy. Grapple alone is like 6-7. We are now back at Yulon's house. We're gonna start splitting this pine. I got about 30 minutes to an hour before I gotta go drop off my dumpster, so I'm gonna help him out a little bit over here. The GoPro ended up dying. It got too hot outside for it, but we split a good bit of wood right now in the hour that we worked on it, and now I'm headed to go drop off this dumpster. Wow, this right here is one steep driveway. Let's see if we can actually make it. I might have to come in from the other angle. Hitch and trailer's about to bottom out, so I gotta reroute somehow. Yeah, the other side worked much better because I don't have to avoid the mailbox and I got more space to take a wide right here. How you doing, man? You got some steepness going on over here.
Yeah, a little bit.
I just made it back home and look what has arrived. Our new Sawzall. Unfortunately, not sponsored by Milwaukee. I really wish I was because I spend a lot of money with them. I got this right here for 300 bucks. Actually, no, 250, because it was like normally 571, but they had it on sale for just the Sawzall price. So basically, you could either buy a Sawzall on its own for 250, or you can spend 250, get a Sawzall, pack out box, battery, and charger for the same price. So that was a no-brainer. The reason I bought a brand new Sawzall is because I've had my old one for about 4 years now, and it's been working great. But the last time we were using it cutting up IBC totes, I don't know what happened, but it basically started frying batteries. So like you'd hit go on a brand new battery and it would go to 0 battery life. I was like, what the heck? I tried that with the 5.0, tried it with another 5.0, and then I put an 8.0 and it's doing the same thing. And now my batteries are tripping, but they are under warranty because they offer a 5-year warranty. So I'm gonna send them into Milwaukee, but as of right now, I still need a Sawzall, so I just bought a brand new one as well. The firewood got picked up while I was gone earlier today. All this trash right here is left, but I don't mind. I don't want customers taking this junk right here. It's just bark. This right here is gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.